This is an ice cream dessert shop where you can make fresh milk ice cream, blueberry, strawberry, mango, and other flavors of sundaes, as well as ice cream with a variety of fillings such as chocolate, matcha, Oreo, and other flavors, or McFlurry or Blizzard. This shop covers an area of only 0.85 square meters. The location selection is very flexible and it can be moved at any time. It will be very popular in complex shopping malls, snack streets, pedestrian streets, children's entertainment areas, scenic areas, high-speed service areas, stations, and other things. What's more amazing is that this dessert shop doesn't need manual operation at all. As long as there is milk and cups inside, it can make delicious ice cream by itself. One person can manage 10 such machines. It says the shop image, shop assistant, chef and cook as a suit. The biggest differences compared to traditional shops are labor saving, low-cost operation, golden position occupied in the business circle without decoration, real-time backstage control, equipment status, clear sale data for review, remote control, intelligent switch in night mode, marketing function ready to be opened at any time, fault detection, etc. It can be moved at any time. One person can manage multiple such machines. This machine has a 32-inch LCD screen where you can upload advertisement directly from backstage. One advertisement can last up to 60 minutes. Advertisement will play at this area. This machine will offer one option of fresh milk, 3 options of sauce, 3 options of toppings. The operation is very easy. You just need to choose your favorite flavor, pay for it, wait for 15 seconds. Then a customized cup of ice cream will appear in front of us. Here I will choose ice cream with Oreo topping. Then I will choose 1 cup. And now I will pay for it. Here we can this page for payment. Let's choose card. After you see this screen, then you just put our card here. Here we can see top drops. It is picking up ice cream now. Then it will pick up Oreo topping. A cup of ice cream is finished. This mouse has a 3-way etiquette function. Your hand will be very safe while picking the cup. Here, the spoon is at the bottom of the cup. Here, I will choose an ice cream. Choose 1 cup and then pay. This page appears. I will input $1. 1 cup of ice cream is making. Now we can see a cup drops. It is picking ice cream now. Now a cup of ice cream is finished. This mouse has a 3-way etiquette function. Your hand will be very safe when taking a cup. The very delicious. This machine can also open various marketing functions, such as single cup discount, second cup half price, buy 3 cups and get the fourth free, joint promotion with third-party merchants, and so on. It appears here. The cost for such cup of ice cream is very low. The profit margin is more than 80%. It is one of the few high-profit products in the new retail industry. For example, in the park, the daily sales volume is 150 to 200 cups. The profit for each cup is more than 80%. A machine can recover costs within 2 to 3 months. According to statistics, at present, every person in the world eats 2.7 liters of ice cream every year on average, and the consumption for ice cream is still growing, so there is large space for ice cream marketing future. The operation and maintenance is very simple. It only needs to be cleaned once per 5 to 7 days with an intelligent clean button. It can finish cleaning within 15 minutes after adding fresh water. There are functions of replacement, backstage reminder, remote startup and shutdown, restart, reset, fault remote diagnosis, self-diagnosis, and self-repair. You just need to do replacement after receiving the reminder. Multiple machines can be opened and maintained. This is our cloud platform. We can do menu setting, generate a coupon, detect a machine status, remote control the machines. You can make money anytime, anywhere. We developed 6 more backstage cloud systems at the inner core part system, which impacts the stability of the ice cream machine by ourselves. 6 more cloud systems with high stability is 100% compatible with the functional module of all parts of ice cream machine. At the same time, it has the functions remote diagnosis, self-diagnosis, self-repair, etc. It is 100% matched with the self-developed inner core part system, pasteurization system, and the refrigeration system. The intelligent cloud system makes the key parts, software and hardware of the ice cream machine match perfect. Ice cream machine inner core part system, gathering the high-end technical team and resource integration in the ice cream machine industry. The core R&D technical team with 32 people has developed our own patented inner core part through 3 years. The self-developed inner core part and the puffing system is 100% matched. It especially uses in the vending machine so that the stability of the machine can be improved greatly. And the ice cream produced is as tasty as that produced by international top brands in traditional ice cream machine industry. After 6 more intelligent cloud systems used for this machine, the inner core part has been successfully upgraded to an intelligent ice cream machine inner core part, which can realize the functions of remote upgrading, remote fault diagnosis, self-diagnosis, and self-repair, and the stability, performance, and taste have been greatly improved. 6 more technology is the only manufacturer in the world with self-developed patents for inner core parts. There are 5 features for this project. First one, less investment. One intelligent ice cream machine only costs thousands of US dollars. One machine equals one intelligent unmanned ice cream dessert station, which can make all flavors of sundaes. Blizzard, and McFlurry. Total 59 different flavors of ice cream can be mixed freely. It can make your favorite ice cream within 15 seconds. Second, high income, wide range of setting scenarios, and faster cost recovery. The cost for 1 cup of strawberry sundae is about $0.21 and the selling price can be $1.4. The profit is more than 85%. It will be very popular in parks, shopping malls, cinemas, pedestrian streets, and stations, and the cost can be recovered within 2 to 3 months. Third, there are differences compared to traditional ice cream shops. For traditional shops, operation cost, decoration cost, joining bread cost, salary cost, and training costs are too high. Staff management is difficult, employee turnover rate is high, and it is difficult to find good positions in the business circle. Fourth, market prospect. At present, the United States, the world's largest ice cream seller, whose ice cream annual consumption is 230 cups per capita, and it is still increasing at a rate of 10% every year. Therefore, the potential for global ice cream market prospect is very huge. Fifth, the development trend of new retail projects in the world. With the worldwide ice cream consumers increasing, traditional shops have the pain points of large investment, long return cycle of cost, and high personnel cost which can't be solved, while the new retail intelligent ice cream machine has many advantages such as low cost, 24-hour unattended, labor saving, small area covering, can be movable, and can occupy the golden position, etc., which makes many large operators and individual entrepreneurs have invested in this field. The next 3 to 5 years will be the dividend period of this new retail project. We have a 3-year experience in ice cream consumption industry, user data analysis, and ice cream vending machine industry. With more than 3 years of experience in the market, our ice cream machines has been upgraded for 6 times and won the EU Quality System Standard certification. The machine has been exported to 26 countries, including Germany, the United States, Russia, Singapore, etc., and won the praise from foreign users. At the same time, in the 34 provincial administrative regions in China, in addition to Tibet and Macau, the machine has been sold to 30 regions. At the same time, in the 34 provincial administrative regions in China, in addition to Tibet and Macau, the machine has been sold to 32 regions. There are 6 ice cream machines produced by 6 more among every 10 machines in Chinese market. We are cooperating with many listed companies. We are the only company with mature foreign operation experience in China's intelligent ice cream machine industry.